wrapping up this series about networking and as much about conversations. As I said, today is baking day here in the Gomez-Doyle household. Anyway, so what I want you to think about is we're in small groups. We're in meeting someone that we're thinking about getting to know. It's not quite a mini interview, maybe it's a conversation, but I want you to think about the lens by which someone might ask you a set of questions. And the first kind of volley or set of things that an individual might begin to ask or that you might be thinking about during the course is a set of questions are about getting to know you, background, experiences. It often may be just a simple warm-up, but you're getting to know each other. You are what I would say is checking in with each other, and the person who is leading the conversation, or one of the honorees, or one of the guests, one of the persons that you're networking with, might just open a set of questions about getting to know you or getting to know others in the room. So that's perspective number one. The second perspective, if it's in a smaller group or it's one-on-one, individuals might begin to think about values and fit and culture. What's at the core of who you are? What's important to you? What matters to you? How do you begin to think about ethics and kind of what your North Star is? So values and fit can be a way in which sometimes conversations move forward typically in smaller groups. Depending upon what's happening, I've seen different people leading small groups at networking, and they're trying to get some sense of what the talent is in the room, what kinds of knowledge and skills people might have. Maybe that's language skills, maybe it's a technical skill, maybe it's coding skills, but you can see a direction of a conversation moving around knowledge and skills. The fourth begins to be shaped around decision-making, how you think about something, how you process that. And so you might be observing, right? Because if it's at a corporate event or at a career fair, people are trying to discern a variety of aspects. So you want to watch as the conversation shifts so you know what's happening, the signals, right? Is this a get to know me kind of question? Is this a skills and knowledge kind of question? Is it a discernment judgment kind of question? Is it a values and fit kind of question? And then you'll be able to know how to respond. So that's one overarching theme. Second is, and I've talked about this before, gauging your response. If someone is asking a question of 10 to 15 seconds, you do not want to go longer than maybe twice that. If the individual is interested in learning more, they'll ask you. If you're in a group, you want to be sure that you are responding appropriately, but that you're not taking up too much airtime, right? You want to have the plane take off and land quickly so that others have time and space. The third is to begin to think about how you listen to questions, how it is being asked, and what is being asked. What's unspoken in the question, right? And so you want to be able to pick up on that. So those are some just background perspectives to think about when you're in sort of pitching or networking or small conversations, more of the informal network. Practice. Find events, explore, get out, just keep practicing. Do it well and invest the time, be smart about it, because you don't know what you're learning today, how that will pan out tomorrow, next month, 10 years from now, or longer. So have a great rest of your day. Hope this was helpful. Take care.